Look. Students, I missed one organelle, that is plastidisma. So now I tell to you. So plastids is one of the organelle. Plastids is one of the organelle. It is a double membrane-like structure, mostly found in plants and some of the algae. Okay, these plastids are found in plants and some of the algae. And also it is the function. What is the function of the plastids? Storage the food and preparation of the food. So the plastids is responsible for preparation and storage of food. Preparation and storage of food. So there are three types of plastids, that is chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. Chloroplast means green plastids. Green colored plastids, that is called chloroplast. Yellow, red and orange colored plastids, that is called chloroplast. Then leucoplast, it is a colorless plastids. Leucoplast is a colorless plastids. So which plastids is called colorless plastids? Leucoplast. Okay, Amma. So you know this. So these plastids are present in most of the plants and some of the algae. Okay, one of the cell organelle. Plastids is one of the cell organelle. It is three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Green color plastids is called chloroplast. Yellow and red and orange colored plastids are called chromoplast. Then the colorless plastids is called leucoplast. Okay, ma. Then in this lesson is over. We have to review all this what we learn in this lesson. Okay, just you see this. In this plant anatomy and plant physiology, first tissue system, dermal, epidermal, ground and vascular tissue. So in this one, radial, conjoin, concentric, then collateral, bicollateral, ampivessel, amphicribal, end arc, X arc, like that. All this we learn. Then dicot root, TS of dicot root and TS of monocot root. Okay, Amma. Then TS of dicot stem and TS of monocot stem. Then TS of dicot stem and monocot stem. TS of dicot leaf and TS of monocot leaf. Okay. Then plastids, photosynthesis. What are the photosynthetic pigments? And also structure of chloroplast. Then light dependent reaction, light independent reaction. What are the external and internal factors of photosynthesis? Next, structure of mitochondria. Then last type of respiration, that is aerobic, anaerobic. So anaerobic one of the cellular respiration, you know that. Yes. At last, the stages of aerobic respiration, that is Krebs cycle, TCA, Krebs cycles, then glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Okay. Then aerobic respiration, at last that anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration, in this respiration the glucose is converted into ethanol, anaerobic respiration. Okay, yeah? So that at last in that respiratory quotient, that is volume of carbon dioxide liberated by volume of oxygen consumed. Okay, Amma. So just you have to review all this what we learn in this lesson. What are the important points in this? What are the function of the chloroplast and mitochondria. All this structure of chloroplast, structure of mitochondria. Draw the diagram also neatly. Label the parts also very neat. And also just I tell to the point to remember, just you have to keep it in your mind, ma. So tissue is a group of similar or dissimilar cells having a common origin and performing similar function. Okay. Then plants are capable of synthesizing glucose and from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight by the process is called photosynthesis. You know that photosynthesis, what are the needed things for raw material for photosynthesis? Yes, you know well. Then plants, dark reaction and light reaction takes place in the grana of chloroplast. It only occurs in grana of chloroplast. Dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. So respiration involves both external and cellular respiration. Then external means between the organism and the environment. Cellular respiration means only present within the cell. Yes, it occurs in present within the cells. Aerobic respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. Then aerobic respiration occurs in 3 major steps like glycolysis, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. So these points also keep it in your mind. Okay, ma? Thank you.